Class 12th, subject physics, 15th chapter, structure of atoms and nuclei. Structure of atoms and nuclei. From the chapter, let us see some of the formulae. First formula is for the transition of a photon from higher energy state to lower energy state. At that time, wavelength of emitted spectral lines is given by the formula 1 by lambda equal to r into 1 upon n square minus 1 upon m square. That is, there will be transition from higher energy state to lower energy state for that photon, and therefore wavelength of emitted spectral lines will be given by the formula 1 upon lambda equal to r into 1 upon n square minus 1 upon m square. Second formula gives angular momentum of an electron. Angular momentum of an electron, which is given as mvr equal to nh upon 2 pi. mvr equal to nh upon 2 pi. Third formula gives energy of photon during the transition. Energy of photon during the transition, that is En minus Ep equal to h nu. En minus Ep equal to h nu. Fourth formula gives radius of Bohr orbit. Radius of Bohr orbit, that is a0 equal to epsilon 0 n square upon pi me e square. a0 equal to epsilon 0 n square upon pi me e square, or radius of nth orbit, that is Rn equal to a0 into n square. Rn equal to a0 n square. Fifth formula gives energy of electron. Energy of electron in nth orbit, that is En equal to me z square e raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square n square h square. me z square e raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square n square h square, or En is equal to minus 13.6 z square by n square minus 13.6 z square by n square electron volt. Then sixth formula is for Rydberg's constant. Rydberg's constant RH is equal to me e raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 ch cube. me e raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon 0 ch cube. Seventh formula is for Rydberg's formula. Rydberg's formula, which is given as 1 by lambda equal to rh z square into 1 by n square minus 1 by m square. 1 by lambda equal to rh z square into 1 by n square minus 1 by m square. Then eighth formula gives mass number equal to atomic number plus number of neutrons. So mass number is equal to atomic number plus number of neutrons, that is a equal to z plus n. a equal to z plus n. Then ninth formula gives density of nucleus. Density of nucleus rho equal to 3m upon 4 pi r0 cube. 3m upon 4 pi r0 cube. Then 10th formula gives us the relation between radius of nucleus and mass number. So radius of nucleus and mass number are related by the relation Rx equal to R0 into a raised to 1/3. Rx equal to R0 into a raised to 1/3, where R0 equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 15 meter. 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Then 11th formula gives the mass defect. mass defect, that is which gives the relation between the measured mass and the actual mass of the nucleus, that is delta m equal to that is mass defect delta m equal to ZMP plus NMN minus m. So this will be the calculated mass and this will be the theoretical mass. Then difference between these two will be the mass defect, that is delta m equal to ZMP plus NMN minus m. Then 12th formula gives binding energy of the nucleus. Binding energy EB equal to delta m into c square, that is mass defect into c square, that will be equal to ZMP plus NMN minus m, ZMP plus NMN minus m into c square. So this formula will give us the binding energy, that is ZMP plus NMN minus m into c square. Then 13th formula gives decay law. So radioactive decay law mathematically will be given as NT. So at any instant of time t, that is NT will be equal to N0 into e raised to minus lambda t. NT equal to N0 into e raised to minus lambda t. Then 14th formula gives us half-life period of any radioactive element. Half-life period, that is T half equal to 0.693 upon lambda. T half equal to 0.693 upon lambda. In this equation, lambda is decay constant. So T half equal to 0.693 upon lambda. So these are some of the formulae related with this chapter, structure of atoms and nuclei.